Today we're in New Mexico at Far Flung Adventures and we are going rafting. We got some friends with us. We are getting suited up in these rafts, key staff colors. Awesome.
You want it secure. If it's down here when you paddle, you're going to be uncomfortable. I want you to paddle a little bit harder, a little bit faster, but paddling together is the most important thing. Okay?
Awesome, we got it.
But if you hear that, be strong enough for that really dangerous situation she mentioned called foot entrapment.
I can see the ground right now.
It's shallow here.
Yeah, this is super shallow. Woo, we just went down. Suckers! What are you talking about? Let's take a video of them going down.
You don't want to say that. They were just letting the rookie go ahead of them so they didn't have to wait for me. Those are two of the most experienced guys in this section.
Oh, really? Here comes the Castros. Ah! Oh, that was awesome.
Go, go, go!
Go, go, go is right. And here there's Daddy in the back.
They're ready to go!
Huh? What, baby?
Yeah, they're ready!
No, don't take my photo.
Go, gather!
We're winning.
There they go.
Where's Daddy? Ah, there's Daddy.
Hey! They're reading us! They're done!
They're not beating us, baby. We're in the front.
How was the job?
Are you guys all dry?
Yes! Did you like the job? I won!
High five!
Yeah!
Woo! Good job, team! We did so good. We did so good.
We're making it.
Bounced off the road and across the river to where it sits.
Wow, baby Huey. And here's baby Huey.
You doing okay, Trevor?
Wow, it's a huge boulder.
Riding on the rock!
That was pretty
I know,
awesome. We all
that's
made it through there.
Not a
You
very.
even recovered the
Oh, it says
paddle.
repent.
That was impressive.
What does that mean?
Wait, here's Daddy.
The rest
Here's
of your group coming
Daddy.
through.
Look at Daddy.
Daddy, baby kiwi, I think. Oh, that says baby kiwi. It's not a baby though. It's very big.
Yeah, 360 tons.
Wow.
Then why did you call it baby kiwi?
Baby Huey is a Looney Tunes character who's a very big bird. So it's kind of like an ironic nickname.
Oh, I think
Oh,
Vex.
Baby Huey. That's
I think
based off
Vexley's-
Michael Madsen.
Oh,
I would love him if had been in space Michael Madsen.
I think Vexley's calling it baby cutie. Hey, Daddy.
I'm calling it baby kiwi.
Hey,
Stuff,
kiddos.
everybody. Good job.
I'll turn around.
We got Captain Gavin, the front of the ship. Gavin, turn around, wave.
Hello. He's riding a bull. Hello.
Hey.
Yeah.
And then next week I'm heading back down for like a week and a half.
Okay, yeah.
Go down
You can do it. You gonna help her?
to Lingua.
Lingua. Okay.
Yeah, it's like Big Bend area.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Put your feet out. Put your feet out, and then
Oh,
sling
well,
your
it's different
booty
from
around.
Than it is here. I'm like, oh wow.
Sling your booty around. See? You want to just sunbathe like that instead of riding the nose? Yeah, okay.
I know.
You can do that, Boo Bear. Don't fall out, okay?
I want to get on the front.
You like the getting on the front part?
What did you say?
I want to get
Daddy's way up there.
Well, if you
What
wanna
a
dip your feet in the
gorgeous
river,
day.
You can dip your feet in. You run every 100 feet. You've got a family of geese or a family of mallards.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, just babies everywhere.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here's what we're seeing.
So nice. Bexley's taking a nap. Bexley, are you taking a nap, boo? On a rapid run?
So what's all that?
And I lost my paddle, but she got the paddle.
Did y'all have fun, guys? Charlie K, did you have fun? Dossie, did you have fun? Does Castle not want to sit on the front? You don't want to? Oh, you think he's gonna get eaten by a crocodile? A river crocodile?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy, I can ride it with no hay.
You're doing so good, sweetie.